We are Biomonadic, and this is our primary process control dashboard for the optimization of cell and gene therapy manufacturing. The goal of this dashboard is to illuminate what is currently a black box manufacturing process for cell and gene therapies, where input feeds are poorly understood and there isn't much process visibility into what's happening in terms of actions taken during the manufacturing process. What you see here in this dashboard is a visualization tracking the various stages of the cell therapy manufacturing process, with the ability to track this 2 to 4 week manufacturing protocol through every single stage of its completion. There will be time series data feeds coming in from things like glucose sensors, lactate, cell count, oxygen, pH, indicating the current status of the bioreactor. And users like process scientists, engineers, as well as directors of process development will be able to analyze this data and query it to achieve various analytical endpoints. In addition, there's the ability to create set point based alarms and notifications that will inform users when process deviations occur. Things like increases in pH, which might indicate stress to the cells, or reductions in glucose, which might indicate overgrowth. Additionally, there will be sensor health data involved in the platform, as well as device management and IoT capabilities like user management and document management built into the platform. Specifically for documentation management, we will be able to store all kinds of metadata associated with the process directly in the platform associated with the manufacturing run. Things like donor ID, the type of virus, the type of cells, as well as the batch number and other information associated with the run. Finally, since this is still a very manual process to create these therapies with many manual observation steps and liquid additions, we will also provide the capability for users to manually input actions directly into the platform. Things like interleukin 2 growth factor additions, as well as media additions and transductions can be tracked inside the process platform, even though they're manual steps. And these actions will also be visually indicated on the graphs once they've been completed. So that's the core manufacturing IoT platform in a nutshell. The AI piece of this comes in when users want to be able to customize their manufacturing process to a given patient's cells or to a given cell line. So the way they would do this is essentially to run the algorithm, which is based on reinforcement learning, to provide predictive recommendations for what various input feeds need to be at for optimal quality and yield. Things like glucose additions as well as oxygen and pH temperature can be controlled in this process by using the algorithm to essentially inform users on what is the optimal protocol to use for a given patient's cell composition or for a given cell line. Our hope with this platform is that it provides better visibility into the manufacturing process for these therapies and enables companies to scale at lower cost at higher levels of quality and yield, with the goal of democratizing these therapies for all throughout society.